Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 12, Advanced Level. Question number 12. Kate wishes to cut some squares from a vanguard sheet with length of 64 cm and breadth of 48 cm. She likes the squares to be as big as possible and she does not want any leftover vanguard sheet. What is the length of each square? How many squares can she cut altogether? Part 1. To calculate the length of each square we have to calculate highest common factor of 64 and 48. To do so, first we have to find the factors of each of these numbers by using prime factorization method. By prime factorization of 64, factors of 64 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. By prime factorization of 48, factors of 48 are 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. For highest common factor, write all numbers in product form that are common in factors of both numbers. Common factors of 64 and 48 are 2, 2, 2, and 2. By multiplying these numbers we have HCF of 64 and 48, that is 16. Therefore, the length of each square is 16 centimeters. Part 2. Now to calculate the total number of square that she can cut, first we have to calculate the area of vanguard sheet. Since it is a rectangular sheet, so we can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying the length and breadth of the rectangle, that is 64 and 48 respectively. Therefore, the area of vanguard sheet is 3072 centimeters square. Now in order to calculate the number of square each of length 16 centimeters, that can be cut through vanguard sheet without any leftovers, we have to divide length of each side of rectangular vanguard sheet by 16, because each square has length of 16 centimeters. So, by dividing 64 centimeters, that is horizontal length of rectangle, by 16, we have 4, that means she can cut 4 squares horizontally, each of 16 centimeters length. Similarly, we divide its breadth by 16, that is vertical length of the rectangle. So, by dividing 48 by 16 we have 3, that means she can cut 3 squares vertically, each of 16 centimeters length. Now we can calculate total number of squares that she can cut, by multiplying number of squares on horizontal side by number of squares on vertical side. The number of square on horizontal side are 4 and on vertical side are 3, so by multiplying 4 by 3 we have 12. Therefore, she can cut 12 squares. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.